Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pillsbury biscuits. First, gather your ingredients, which primarily means a can of Pillsbury biscuits. You'll also need a baking sheet. Before you do anything else, make sure to preheat your oven. The exact temperature will be clearly listed on the biscuit packaging, so check that first. This simple preparation ensures your biscuits bake perfectly. Once your oven is preheated, carefully open the can of Pillsbury biscuits. Separate each biscuit and arrange them on an ungreased baking sheet. Make sure to leave about 1 to 2 inches of space between each biscuit so they can expand properly. Bake them for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Always confirm they are cooked through before serving. To achieve the flakiest biscuits, remember not to overcrowd your baking sheet. Giving them space helps them rise evenly. For an extra touch of deliciousness and a beautiful golden finish, consider brushing the tops with a little melted butter just before or after baking. Biscuits are always best enjoyed warm, so serve them immediately after they come out of the oven for optimal flavor and texture. Pillsbury biscuits are incredibly versatile and can complement almost any meal, from a hearty breakfast to a comforting dinner. They're delicious with jam, gravy, or even as a side for fried chicken. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container. They'll stay fresh for up to 2 days. And hey, while you're enjoying your biscuits, why not let a robot handle the cleaning? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.